Good morning. The Bank of Canada has cut interest rates again this morning. This is the 7th consecutive rate cut. This brings the total amount of rate cuts to 2.25% since they started last June, and it lowers prime rate down from 5.2 to 4.95%. So all variable rate mortgages and lines of credit in Canada, they're going to come down. Now, the question is, will we get more? Well, if you ask the big bank economists, the majority say yes. And if this trade war hangs around, we could be getting more than expected. And so why is that? Aren't tariffs inflationary? Don't they rise the cost of goods? And isn't that what the Bank of Canada has been fighting so hard to remedy? Well, yes, tariffs can certainly impact prices. You have rising cost of imported goods, you have rising costs of raw materials, you have supply chain disruptions, you have reduced competition. I mean, all that can filter through to higher prices. And I mean, the trade war that started in 2018 between the US and China had the impact of raising inflation by about 0.5% in the US. But the bigger concern here at home is the impact to growth. I mean, Canada has already been dealing with a productivity crisis. To fix that, you need business investment. And if you're a business right now, you're probably looking to take risk off the table. You're probably not looking to make any major investments. You're probably concerned about reduced consumer spending and looking to cut costs with your own business. So maybe that leads to job losses, weaker GDP overall. If this trade war sticks, our per capita recession that we've been dealing with could very well turn into at least a mild overall recession. Recent falling equity prices and bond yields reflect that. I mean, just the threat of the tariffs alone is going to weigh on North American growth. So yes, tariffs can lead to higher prices, but the bigger concern is going to be recession, which can lead to lower interest rates. That's it for us today. If you have any friends or family that have a mortgage renewal coming up in the next year, I'm sure it's going to be a wild year. So definitely put them in touch with us so we can put their mortgage on our radar and make sure that they don't miss out on any opportunities. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.